Hey guys, back with another video. I was on live not too long ago, eating my cornstarch, and I don't know what had happened. So I had to kind of replay to see what was going on. But anyway, they had cut my video wide. I don't know, but when I had Tik's YouTube, they had put it back on. So I'm like, why would y'all do that? But anyway, that won't be my only time coming on live eating my cornstarch. So just wanted to apologize to y'all that I know y'all was in it, because I was in it as well, but I didn't know they was gonna do that.
Mom, why are you eating cornstarch?
So it's back up there. And like I said, that won't be my last time coming live doing my cornstarch.
I know, I was trying to wash it, but we forgot to turn it down.
I eat my leftover chunks. Like I said, I will be back on. That made me so mad. Man, I'm good. I'm good.
So guys, I'm eating graham crackers right now. I'm stealing over my mom's video.
I don't know why she like to get in my videos. Like, for real.
Because I like to steal it. There we go.
My child needs help. He needs help. He needs some help.
They can't see you.
Can y'all see me? Don't pay her no mind.
My foot.
Good girl. No. Mess your hair. You gonna mess your hair up. I don't want to be Girl, we all in the way.
I thought you on the bed.
What?
I bet you can't throw me on the bed.
What?
I bet you can't throw me on the bed.
I'm gonna throw you out this room, man. Catch that foot.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, that's rough too.
I got you.
That's a piece of work. It's a piece of work, guys. Look.
No, mommy. You can't pick me up and throw me on the bed. I bet you can't.
I did.
You can't do it again.
I threw it on the bed.
You can't do it. Throw me on the bed
mess
again.
with me, y'all.
Throw me
All
on the
the
bed
time.
again.
I can't even have my cornstarch.
You can't throw me on the bed. Mommy can't throw me on the bed. Mommy can't throw me on the bed. Mommy can't throw me on the bed.